Hi, Tracy Evans here with Exhibitry, and today I'm at the Naval Aviation Museum in Pensacola, Florida. Let's take a look around. I'm here at the Naval Aviation Museum in Pensacola, Florida, installing some of our latest interactive holograms. These holotube exhibits tell the stories of young sailors who work the deck crew of aircraft carriers, and it has me thinking about the similarities in storytelling between museums and corporate marketing. At a glance, these audiences seem quite different, but I think upon closer examination, the similarities are clear, whether an audience is exploring the galleries of a museum or the aisles of a corporate trade show. Storytelling is used in museums and cultural organizations to bring history and artifacts to life, to engage visitors and communicate the educational content. Using interactive exhibits, multimedia displays, and experiential installations, museums are able to transport guests to time, places, and events they could not experience otherwise. On the other hand, corporate storytelling is typically used to engage customers and communicate products. Engage and communicate. The goals are the same, and so too can be the techniques used to achieve them. One key technique can be the use of emotion to connect with an audience. Museum visitors are often moved by the artifacts and stories on display, and thus they leave with a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Businesses can also use storytelling to create an emotional connection. Not that they need to tug at a customer's heartstrings to do so. It could be as simple as highlighting a relatable situation, such as a problem that the customer wants to solve, then demonstrating how the product or service offered solves that problem. When people experience an emotional connection to a brand or product, they're more likely to remember it, engage with it, and ultimately make a purchase. Even the subtlest emotional connection can affect how people perceive and interpret information, and probably more importantly, help them to remember the message. Interactive media and hands-on experiences can create an emotional connection to the subject matter by allowing audiences to engage in a learn-by-doing manner. Students learn best when they're actively engaged in the learning process. And the same principle can apply to customers encountering a new product. Active media presentations can help extend audience engagement time and help convey information in an easily digestible format. In short, the use of story in both museums and corporate marketing can serve to create emotional connections with the audience, whether it's an ancient artifact or a brand new product. Both can benefit from thoughtfully created interactive storytelling. At Exhibitry, we understand the power of storytelling in a variety of industries and have a history of helping organizations create engaging experiences for their audiences. Visit us at exhibitry.com to learn more about how we help bring stories to life.